How to take two different photos on BeReal. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to take two different photos on BeReal. Without further ado, let's get started. Before we visit the BeReal app, let's first go to the App Store or your Play Store if you have an Android and search for BeReal, and let's check if our app is up to date. So once you are in the app page, what you're going to pay attention to is this button right here. If it says open, that means that your BeReal is currently up to date. However, if that says update, you should be updating your BeReal because that means that your app is currently outdated. So once you have updated your BeReal app, let's just go ahead and open it. And I actually have reinstalled it on my side, so it shows all these options. So as you know, BeReal gives you a notification once it is time to take a photo. So I'm just going to click on allow right here, and this notification should pop up and give you the chance to take a photo. So make sure you have given access to your camera for the BeReal app to be able to take photos, and the camera page should look like this and give you 2 minutes to take a picture, and actually automatically it will simultaneously take a photo from your front camera and your back camera. So you can also then share it to your friends only or to all the users on BeReal. So just click on this icon at the bottom that says my friends only. Click on that, and you can either set your audience, your my friends, or to the discovery page where everyone can see your BeReal. So that is how you can basically take two different photos on BeReal by clicking the shutter icon under 2 minutes, and it will automatically format your post to having two different photos, which is from your front camera and your back camera. So that ends this tutorial. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any questions you may have as well. So that is all for today, and have a great day.